So we are looking at the gold bees prices. So these are Nippon gold ETFs, and the ones it has moved up almost 14% since July 22nd. And just because of recent fall in the gold prices, it has moved again down to almost 10%. Now the stock like ETF is already up by 4%. So the question is like, shall we consider this to be in consolidation phase, or there could be a possibility where it might go up again? So let's go for the gold chart. So we are looking at the gold futures contracts. So these are into US dollars, and these are international prices for the golds. And just look at the chart pattern. After touching almost 2078 levels, the all-time high level, now the gold prices are coming back down. Like, there was a speculation where COVID vaccine has been invented by the Russia, so because of which the gold prices crashed down. But now again, the more clarity got Russian vaccine, so now the gold prices are again moving upwards. So at moment the gold prices are trading at around $2,000 mark. So this is a crucial mark. And if we just consider the latest short-term support line of 1988, so here we could use this as a support and use this, we could put the stop loss below this 1988 line, and we could go long on the gold position. So there is one more reason why the gold prices may go up, if not in the international market, but definitely on the Indian front. The reason is like this. So there is a news related to the RBI may look to hike gold reserve to 10% of its total reserve. At moment almost 7% are the reserves, and from 7% to 10% there is a possibility where that reserve might be getting increased. So the discussion happened on the 14th of August, and the next meeting, the roadmap and everything, or whether to go or not, so that will be decided on the 23rd of October, the next meeting. So here we could say on the Indian front, if not on that one, or at least on Indian front, there could be more demand. So gold prices, the underlying gold prices in Indian currency, that might go up again. And from here, we could say the gold bees prices that might be moving up, even if we keep the constant this international gold prices. So at least on short term period basis and intraday period basis, we can go long on the gold bees.